Ladies and gentlemen, here we are here to solve this mathematical equation, which says 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1. So let's solve this equation. First of all, we have to add 2 and 3, which is 5. Then 4 minus 1, which is 3. Then 5 times 3 gives us 15, which is totally false. Why? We have given the first priority to negative or minus and positive rather than this multiplication. So in maths we have the rule so-called BODMAS, which stands for bracket or division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This rule is a hierarchical mathematical calculation rule for mathematical operations, especially division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This question is simple but tricky by itself, since we have prioritized this addition. Since we are moving from left to right, the equation gives us addition on the leftmost side. So we are going to add 2 and 3 most directly. So we are not correct. So fixing this, we should get like the following. Okay, let's solve this correctly. 3 times 4 gives us what? Since multiplication is given the highest priority over addition and subtraction, we will solve the multiplication. So 3 times 4 gives us what? 12. And over there is minus 1 and 2. Mathematically, we will prioritize addition rather than subtraction. So 2 plus 12 gives us what? 14 minus 1, which will be 13, is the correct answer. So what will be our answer? Exactly 13. Thank you for watching.